This is interesting. Steve lays it out pretty well. iPhone because it is the biggest kind of money part of the Apple business, but services because it's the growth engine. What are you watching for?
Good morning, Dom. Great to be with you. We're focused on really this continuation of their ability to execute on the iPhone product cycles. And so, yes, the environment's difficult, but we're seeing the install base for iPhone continue to grow. We're looking ahead, of course, to iPhone 15 and the emergence of a new cycle as we get into the fall, which can help reaccelerate growth late this year and really into 2024. The other key thing as we are talking about is services. That really helps to diversify the revenue stream and also helps support gross margin. So we continue to like the name here, even in the face of what is a challenging environment.
The iPhone has always been a focus because of the sheer numbers around it. It makes a huge bulk of revenue, a huge bulk of what happens with regard to profits. You mentioned the upgrade cycle. I wonder how much this quarter is about the anticipation of that, whether or not we are going to see some of those iPhone numbers really play into whether or not the future outlook for Apple is one where people say, hey, you know, iPhones are still the driving force behind this company.
We're in a seasonally weaker period. And so iPhone, I expect growth to remain fairly muted, just given partly the compares and partly the macro environment. And we're also at the end of the iPhone 14 cycle. I think what we're going to focus on is really, are they executing on the cycle? Customer satisfaction with the device remains very high. And the key is that they're continuing to infuse new capabilities, continuing to improve key technologies like the camera as one example. If they're able to keep doing that, I think they'll continue to attract new users to the iPhone install base. And importantly, they'll continue to get existing users to upgrade their devices. But again, the environment does remain difficult.
OK, so I hesitate to bring this up because it takes a lot to move the needle at a company like Apple with a $3 trillion market cap. But we've seen headlines with regard to some of the initial artificial intelligence ambitions for a company like Apple, joining many mega cap technology companies in that particular industry, getting up for that and gearing up for that. What exactly could Apple say on the AI front that would mean anything to an analyst covering it?
If we step back and think about Apple's investment in artificial intelligence, which has been underway for many years, they've been infusing machine learning into their products for some time, and I expect them to continue to do it. I don't expect a groundbreaking announcement this evening or necessarily in the months ahead around AI. What I think they're going to do is continue to use artificial intelligence to refine the product experience, really drive this differentiated user experience. And it's this continuation of integrating hardware, software, and services to delight users and really provide a fun and secure experience. So I expect more artificial intelligence to get infused into devices, but I think it's really it's a part of the greater story, and really it's all about the innovation and the product cycles.